Hello, today I'm going to show you new features of Timesheet Ninja, the Enterprise Edition. And so first and foremost, the very first thing you'll notice when you get this edition is a visual timer. So I am recording my time that I'm working on a case, and you'll see that a pop-up timer comes up and in real time tracks how much time you're actually spending on working this case. As you can see, you can start, you pause and end the timer. You can also scroll down and work the case, add any activities here to the case as you work on it. You can even move off the screen to other sections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the timer on my project task. So I'm going to start my timer here for a project task, and you'll see that it begins recording time. So as I'm working cases or project tasks in Suite CRM, you have this visual timer. You can start, pause, and end it. I'm going to go back and actually work on my case, do my edits to my case, customer issue solved, save. I'm going to make sure that we also close our project task here. The project task, and we're going to save, and we're also going to end these project tasks. So I'm going to end my visual timer. I'm also going to end my visual timer here, and we're done. So we just actually started the timer on a support case. We started a timer on a project task, and that's going to append to a timesheet, which I'll show you shortly. What we can also do in this edition is do a couple of things. We can create a daily timesheet where you can now manually enter time by day with a description. So you can add that here. You can go through the days. You also have a weekly view. So we brought back the weekly view so that you can actually go into your entire week and manually enter time against tasks that you are actually generating. So these are some of the new features you'll see. If you want to view your timesheet and report on your timesheet, that is also still there, so you can see all the related timesheets related to your projects, to your tasks, still here in the native timesheet functionality. You'll see that here. And we also have a global entry view, and I'm going to show you that right now. This global entry view allows you to do two things. For many projects, you have many people that need to log time against one project task. And in those cases, let's say everybody does meetings, right? And they want to log time against the time they spend in meetings. Or there's a project task, and in that project task, you have multiple team members doing that project task. And so what you can do is use this view so that all of your team members using the timesheet tool or in Suite CRM can pull up that project task, put a start date of when they started to work on that task, and put in the estimate hours, and then hit save. And so this view allows multiple users to log time against the same task, and so that's exactly what you're seeing here. And of course, you'll see that appended in the timesheet view. So that's what this module does, and this will actually be able to enable your users to actually log time against one task. So that's 5-6 people against one task, and you would have that reflected in your timesheet. The other thing this view allows you to do is you can log against multiple modules in one view. So I can log time against an account, but let's say I spent some time on sales activities and I want to log time against sales activities. I can also do that here, right from one view. This saves your end users from clicking a whole lot and having to fill out different areas of the timesheet application. So really one quick view for everyone.